time. Wait, I already did that. So.
Okay, do the Little Red Riding Hood.
Okay. Once upon a time, Red Riding Hood went to go get her grandma some muffins because her grandma was sick. So he brought her some muffins, and then there was a tricky wolf. The tricky wolf went going, but he didn't have any nose. And then he just came to just get some muffins. And then the wolf went, and then the wolf came to the grandma's house, and he hid the grandma to the closet because he was a nice wolf, but he didn't. So, wait, I'm gonna sneeze. And then Red Riding Hood said, "Grandma, I'm here." And then the wolf said, "Oh, my darling." And then the wolf said, "Pour this drink and then the door will open." And then it did open by itself. And then the Red Riding Hood went inside the house. And then the Red Riding Hood said, "What big eyes you have, so I can see you better, my darling. What big ears you have, so I can hear you better, my darling. What big teeth you have, so I can eat you better." And then he started to catch Red Riding Hood, and there was a famous guy, and he had a smasher, and then he had a big smasher, almost like a giant. He smashed the wolf, and it was happily ever after. The end.
All right, beautiful.